What is a sentence? Subject and predicate. Sentence. It is a set of words that is complete in itself. Typically, it contains a subject and predicate. Sentence. Sentence conveys a statement, question, command, exclamation, consists of main clause and sometimes one or more subordinate clauses. Now, what is subject? Subject is the person, place, animal, or thing that perform any action in a sentence. The subject represents to what or whom sentence is about. Simple subject is a noun or pronoun. The car needs repair. The baby is crying. Underlined words are the subject of the sentence. What is a predicate? It is a part of sentence or clause containing a verb and saying something about the subject. For example, she skipped. She skipped quickly. Skipped is a predicate and quickly is modifier. The athlete ran. Cats sleep a lot. Circle words are the predicate of sentence. The book has an interesting plot. Underlined phrase is the predicate of the sentence. In the next video, we will discuss types of sentences and clause. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching my channel.